Question 22. According to the passage, okay, well that indicates likely that we're going to have a detailed question, and we confirm it when the rest of the question doesn't use any words like suggest or implies. It just says, what do present copyright laws say? So the correct answer to this is just going to be something that is said explicitly in the passage. Let's go answer choice by answer choice. Answer choice A says, copyright laws allow completely unrestricted use of any document placed by its author on a web page. Well, to begin, copyright laws are restrictions on how you can use things, so they don't provide completely unrestricted use. This is a confusion of some details that were mentioned in the last paragraph, where the author says that completely unrestricted use would be preferable, but the author never says that current copyright laws allow for that. Answer choice B, present copyright laws allow those who establish links to a document on a web page to control its distribution to others. This is the opposite of what the author said about links to documents. Links to documents don't control the distribution. It's the person who puts the file on the web in the first place. So getting something wrong can't possibly be our answer. Answer choice C, present copyright laws prohibit anyone but the author of a document from making a profit from the document's distribution. The passage says that unauthorized are not allowed to make a profit, but not any old distributor. Answer choice C is not our answer. D, present copyright laws allow the author of a document to sue anyone who distributes the document without permission. Now this information is found pretty much right in the middle of the second paragraph, where it says this immediate accessibility creates a problem since current copyright laws give owners of intellectual property the right to sue a distributor of unauthorized copies of their material. So D is just what it says right there. The answers to detailed questions need to be things said directly in the passage. Answer choice D fits the bill. It's our answer. A glance down at E to see why it's not our answer. So present copyright laws should be altered to allow more complete freedom in the exchange of ideas. The author is in favor of the free exchange of ideas, so this might seem like it's the answer, but the author never calls for existing copyright laws to be altered. The author thinks that existing copyright laws are good enough. We don't need to strengthen them. So answer choice E is not our answer. The answer is D.